So my wife and I had a day without our toddlers, and I was like, hey, let's jump on a bike and ride through the city. So we jump on a bike and we ride out towards the National Mall. So we were on Independence Avenue. We were passing the Jefferson Memorial over the screen right. We were about to pass MLK Memorial and soon the Lincoln Memorial. So we're getting up to the Lincoln Memorial, and we are about to jump on Potomac Parkway and Rock Creek Parkway to ride through Rock Creek Park. Rock Creek Park is Washington, D.C.'s largest green space. It's lots of trees, really beautiful riding. So right now we're passing the Lincoln Memorial. Right now we're passing the Kennedy Center for Fine Arts, and that's to the screen left. So at this point I'm feeling a few raindrops. I try to get out of this traffic and head back towards the house. You can kind of see a few drops on my shirt and a few drops falling. So I made this right turn right here, and I'm looking back over and see the dark clouds. To screen left, you'll see the Watergate Hotel. And some of you may know the significance of the Watergate Hotel. And I'm looking over and seeing all the dark clouds and thinking, yeah, I definitely gotta get home. Will I make it home without getting rained on? I hope so. So now we're on Constitution Avenue, which is the other side of the National Mall. She's telling me she sees sheets of rain coming towards us.
It's raining ahead of us.
Yep, unfortunately, we are about to get wet.
It's official. We're getting rained on. You alright? Give it what's up. Make sure. Alright.
Oh. It's cold. We just made it home after getting stuck. Not even stuck. After getting caught in thunder, rain, thunder, and hailstorm in downtown Washington, D.C. That was rough. I didn't think we were going to make it. Of course I knew we were going to make it, but yeah. You all right, Mrs. Bill Ride? How you doing in there? Come here.
You're going to be like your dad.
How am I going to be like my dad?
No, I was like, I'm going to be like your dad.
Why is that?
I ain't going to take a pills.
Really trying to go to Holly Homecoming? Let me go ahead and take a piss. That's gonna be the ongoing joke for both of these two. But thank you for riding in the rain with me and getting stuck in the rain with me.
Oh, you're welcome. It was fun because it was really hot outside, so it actually probably was needed. It's like 90 degrees.
Yeah. Was that a good story for your vacation? What did you do during your vacation?
Yeah, my staycation.
Your staycation.
Clean up and got caught in the rain on a motorcycle. That's the highlight, though.
That's the highlight?
That's the highlight. Yeah, that's the highlight.
All right, so what should they do if they like highlights and stuff like this?
They should subscribe and like and share and comment and engage with the channel.
Oh, what channel is that?
Bill Ride Reviews.
All right, but thanks.
Mwah.
We'll see you in the next one.